Landon Davis. I'm a bird, and this is my story.
You know, being a bird, you don't fit into society very well. People don't accept you for who you are. So, in order just to get away from that, I find things to do that just don't involve people
Sometimes,
or other things
I like
that,
to fly.
stop me from what I want to do.
Flying, it's just awesome. You see so much stuff you wouldn't just see if you're just walking, you know? I mean, I can just fly wherever I want, see whatever I want, whenever I want. It's an all-inclusive package. What the heck? That's disgusting. Gross. Gross. I mean, gross. Look at me. Come on, man. You want to eat my thigh? Do you want to do that? Eat that. Dude, don't buy those. What? These are my children that got sent to this IP. For instance, here's Susie. Here's David. This is Luke. This one was my favorite one, Nate Wolf. No, Nate. No, Nate. No.
Ready? I'm working short. I like cream sandwich.